Have you ever heard of the Great Emu War of 1932? No, it wasn't a conflict between nations but an actual military operation in Australia against flightless birds. Following World War I, Australian soldiers returned to find their farms overrun with emus, large flightless birds that had migrated inland. The emus were devastating crops, so the government authorized soldiers to cull the emu population using machine guns. What followed was a bizarre and often comical endeavor. The emus proved to be surprisingly elusive, and their numbers seemed undeterred by the military's efforts. Despite several weeks of attempted eradication, the soldiers managed to kill only a small fraction of the bird population. The operation was eventually deemed a failure, and the emus continued to roam freely, a testament to their resilience and a quirky chapter in Australia's history. The Great Emu War remains a curious example of how even well-equipped forces can be thwarted by nature's unpredictability.